What are we doing, Dan? Setting up tree stamps. Heading back to set up a couple tree stands. Hopefully get some hog hunting in this evening yet. It's pretty cold for this time of the year in Texas, so hopefully they'll be moving early. Well, there's our setup. What's your take? You think we're gonna kill something?
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, it's a little chilly out here right now, but yeah.
Pigs?
Yep.
Ready for the first hunt? You guys think we're gonna get something?
I don't know.
Never hunted Texas once. What do you think, Corey?
Same. We're hoping.
Who knows? You know, we might not come over here, but... Hey, what do you think?
Yeah, that's a good sized pig.
Hopefully he comes a little closer. It's like he didn't even hear us. Yeah, both of those are melanistic. Well, what do you have to say about that, Corey?
Got my heart pounding for sure. Man, it was close. Yeah, hopefully get a game plan for tomorrow and hit them tomorrow night again.
Yeah. How did your hunt go, Denver?
Not so great. Cold and wet.
Hopefully it goes better tomorrow. Get one to stop for us or something. What do y'all think? Gonna kill something in that?
We even got a hog grunt.
We did get a hog grunt.
Yeah. Give it a grunt.
Well, it's day 2 of our Texas journey. We have a new setup here this afternoon. We moved about probably 80 or 100 yards further down this peninsula from where we were last night. Hoping that they do the same things they did last night. If they do, we'll be in good shape. So, hoping for the best. It didn't have a tail.
Corey just seen a bobcat.
Yeah, I just seen a bobcat about 120 yards.
That guy's got some melanistic in him.
I'm not enjoying that he's eating our corn. I do have a used broadhead at the end of my stupid things. But if you don't think it'd make too much noise, it's totally up to you. But I feel for sure. I feel like getting some blood.
I don't know what your hair was gonna do.
At this point, hog hunting isn't going the best. We didn't buy all this corn for him to sit there and just chow down. That's ridiculous.
Stupid. He should know better than that.
Yeah.
Outside.
Is he dead?
Yeah, I think so. You dropped him in his tracks. Alright, we're trying to stalk a big group of pigs. They're on the corn, so we're hoping it'll work out tonight. Get up here. I'm gonna pull back first, okay? I gotta turn my light on. Dude, we gotta get up. Can you guys want to look at the camera to see the pig? I can see. Yeah, the big one is right in between the posts.
Look at those rocks. Look at my arrow. Look how fast she was standing right here when you shot her. Right? Look how fast they did that. Oh no. Ooh. That is not good. Well, you not miss her. No. I think it's just kind of duddish.
Daniel is currently climbing, or has currently climbed the power line pole, trying to spot a pig that Corey shot.
She's on the right. Yeah, ready?
I don't know how well our hunting's gonna go after this.
Well, it sounds like they got one, boys. And I'm kind of hoping to see if he dies. I'm not going in to get him, but we just came from there. I know.
I'm not. That was creepy. That was creepy.
We literally were right where they are right now.
Guys, Corey shot a hog. And he ran up way up there, probably 300-400 yards. We go up there. We hear dogs barking like crazy, rolling around, and hogs
Stuff crashing through the woods.
Yeah, hogs grunting like crazy. They ran off what sounded about like a quarter mile. All of a sudden, the dogs come barking back.
So we got tailed it.
Yeah, we thought maybe they were trying to get us, so we got out of there. And then we get back close to where we had shot the pig, and we heard this pig squealing like crazy. So the shot wasn't the greatest on the pig, so we think the dogs finished the job for us. Is that the consensus?
I believe that's what happened. And there's nothing that leads me not to believe that, because the dogs ain't barked in 6 minutes.
And we tracked the pig exactly where the dog started barking.
They got themselves a meal. Everybody's happy except me. And oh my! I want my broadhead's the thing I'm concerned about.
That 99-cent
Gumball machine.
gumball
broadhead.
machine broadhead.
I can't believe that.
Dude, that thing, I've never trailed something that far, that good of blood. I'm saying, like, we were walking fast.
He obviously was wounded because the dogs got him. I mean, as far as I know.
But if the dogs chased him that far,
Yeah.
he was still living.
He was still
We'd
kicking pretty
tracked him till past milking time. There's nothing out there at all.
Over it is like I
good. You guys want to shoot some more pigs?
Oh, I'll be shooting him with a camera after this. Oh my word!
All right, guys. I don't know what day of the hunt, but we've had a lot of fun. Haven't had too terribly much success yet, but we're bringing the AR with a thermal range finding scope.
We're pulling out all the stops tonight.
Yeah.
This is pig's gonna bust us. We're fixing to bust him.
Better believe it. Got a bow for backup.
Both of them.
Kind of the other way around than the norm, but
Just show them the beautiful rock field.
oh yeah, how do y'all like these rocks? Those aren't potatoes. Those are legit rocks.
They're not potatoes. No, it doesn't work.
Go over see him down there. See him all down there. Do you think I can get my bipods up on that bank? Do you think you could make a shot down in there? Well, if I can get it open, I'll have to range them. Are they still there? Yeah, oh yeah, they're just eating. They're coming up like sugar. What if we get down in there with them? Just don't make too much. I think we. Over there, you mean? Do you think so, Daniel? What? Do you think if we got to the fence, we could get a clear shot? Well, I think there's spots here where you could if you just looked. Just be careful. You guys ready? Yeah, go for it. Whenever you want. Ready? Yeah. Yes, sir. That mess? I don't know.
That's what happened.
Dude, that is such a pain. Well,
We're not giving up.
that's how we wanted it to work. We wanted to come over to this property and get one with a gun.
We'll go over the other property and get one with a gun.
Listen. We're gonna do it. Should we? Oh, there's some big holes out. Where? Big holes out. I'm gonna wait. Take your time. There's a pin. Oh, I got her. I got her. Yes.
Awesome.
Just keep getting her. Don't let her get away.
You get her?
Yeah, I think so. Hang on.
I hear her.
Do you still see her? Nope. Huh? No.
I hear her.
Run down there.
Okay.
I drilled her. I know I did. Like there's not a quick. She didn't come out. Just keep your eye on it.
We can move up. I don't mind moving. I heard him up there.
She was sniffing. She was looking at us.
And you hit her right in the head.
And she was broadside, perfectly broadside.
Oh, sweet. How far do you think?
Just right down beside the fence.
Awesome.
Listen. There's nothing else I could have did. I was
Right,
right
right,
on
right,
her,
right,
rock
right.
solid.
I heard something rustling down in there. So, but do you know where she is?
She went like this, and she followed that down there, and she went like this, and this, we cut back. Yeah, I don't want to speak too soon, but I don't know. I seen some suspicious stuff of just, yeah, some stuff.
What?
Looked like maybe, I don't know.
Blood?
No, maybe she fell over.
Did some of the other shots hit her, you think?
Oh, I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, I was rock solid.
Cool.
Dude, there's no way I could have missed her. There's no way. She was right. She was on this side of the creek. On that side, the left side.
I wonder if they're trying to get down one of the bait piles.
They probably were.
Dude, that's me.
Guys, we think we just found Corey's pig. I think it is.
Let's go. Let's go. Dude, let's just go slow. Hey, listen, if we find her, if them other ones are still up there,
Yeah.
we'll get some more.
Yes, sir.
Dude.
Straight ahead.
I think it's straight.
I don't know what else would be.
This is exciting, y'all.
Dude, I feel like hollering, but I don't want to mess it up. Oh! Dude, okay, listen. You guys don't understand. The first night we came down here, it was terrible weather. We set up, and a good-sized boar comes just out of bow range. Couldn't get him stopped. We didn't have a lot of action. Next few nights, I gut shot one, couldn't find it. Last night, I shot another one bad, couldn't find it. We went over to another property. Thought I had a clear shot on a grazing pig again. I hit a tree. We pull into this farm. There's pigs right beside the vehicle. I get out, right on ready to pull the trigger. The car alarms go off. The pig turns around, I fire a shot, totally miss, or at least I think.
Well, we might go find that one yet.
We come over here to the setup. Pigs are coming down to the corn again. And we thought, sure enough, we have them in the bag. Well, they jump the fence, come down the creek, and start getting downwind. We thought that they had all ran away because they smelled us. Well, I heard some cracking in the grass. And I look up in the thermal, and here she is about 30 yards away. And she was stomping and snorting. And she turned broadside, and I don't know, I laid a few shots into her.
Look how far she went. Shine over there, right there.
On the
Right there by those posts is where he shot her. And she's right
Her, dude.
here.
I hit her twice here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Boing.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking maybe. Alright, y'all, we're going back to get some backstraps off of Corey's pig, and we
Oh, they're on the corn.
Are you serious?
They're right beside the gate.
Let's go.
found some more pigs, so we're gonna go get them.
Oh, there's more coming back.
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk through. Keep going.
You still see it?
Not sure if that's her.
Are you out of bullets?
No. Oh, I think she's down.
That's
I drilled her. I'm you see directly in that power.
High five, dude.
Oh my goodness. Do you see her right now? No, she's like up in that grass, like straight towards the power line. She never came out.
Was she broadside?
Oh yeah. Broadside or maybe a
I
little
heard her
quartering,
squall.
maybe a little quartering away.
That's
you hear her
good.
squall?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, let's be okay.
Come on, let's
Yeah, I followed her almost about right in line with that power pole, and that was it. I couldn't see her.
Well, folks, we found this pig.
Corey up and shot him a boar. So we're dragging them together to get pictures. Good night.
Number 2 for the night, boys.
Look at that. Mr. and Mrs. Savage.
Boy, you might be heavier. What a night.
What do you have to say about that, dude?
What a night.
Tell them what happened a little bit.
We came back here to pick up the sow, and
Get some back straps.
yeah, and there's a whole herd of them at our corn pile, just hammering it. As we walked in, Denver was gonna try it with his bow. And we got almost to our setup, and they spooked. And he was in plain sight, and I let him have it. Oh boy.
That was kind of the plan if they decided to spook, that
Yeah.
Corey was just going to open up on them.
I think we'll stay with a 206.
Yeah, here we go.
I might put my hand on. He's off, ain't he?
Yeah.
What is it? That says 173.
Okay. No. Yeah, it was on a different setting.
Okay.
Okay, confirmed 173. Alright.
What? Here, I gotta get my. Here we go. Ready? Whoa, it's breaking. Is she off? Close.
What does it say then?
203. Is she off? Not quite.
This is our setup to get a picture of our hogs.
3 phones on one bow.
Yeah, it's interesting. But got the hogs over there. Got the deadly sniper right here.
Things turned for the better, boys.
Yes, sir.